Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Don't fail, ask Mikhail. Today we're going to continue graphing the quadratic equations, but we're going to spice it up a little bit. We're going to put negative. We're going to put the number. A is not going to be 1, and we're going to use a quadratic formula. So let's see another different example of how you graph the quadratic equations. All right, given in the quadratic in standard form. Okay, so here is my equation. Remember, I have to find the vertex, axis of symmetry, x-intercept, y-intercept. This time, we're going to add the domain, range, max, and min. We're going to have to do this one. We did not do it in the previous example. Okay, so here's the equation. First, you have to notice it's not equal to 0. So we have to take the 1 and move it inside to make it equal to 0. So we subtract 1, cancel out, and the equation equals to this. So what is the vertex? Remember, the vertex made of x and y. And the x value of the vertex equal to negative b over 2a. In this example, equal to negative b means the opposite sign of b. So that will be positive 4 over 2 times negative 2. That will make it 4 over negative 4 equals to negative 1. So x vertex equal to negative 1. How about the y? So what we do, we take the negative 1 and we'll put it for x. That will be negative 2 x squared, which is negative 1 squared, minus 4 times negative 1 minus 1 equals to 0. That's negative 2. Negative 1 squared is 1. Minus 4 minus 1, that make it positive 4. Minus 1 equals to 0. That's negative 2 plus 4 minus 1. That will give you positive 1. So that is the y vertex equals to 1. So the vertex here, x is negative 1, y is 1. All right. So we come here, the vertex, x is negative 1, y is 1. Axis of symmetry, as we said before, x equals to the x value of the vertex. So axis of symmetry equal to negative 1. Notice these two always have to match. I highlight them both, all right? Now, x-intercept. To find x-intercept here, I cannot factor. So I have negative 2x squared minus 4x minus 1 equals to 0. I cannot factor. It's not factorable. So I can use a quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula, x equal negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. I got a phone. I'll answer it later. All right. So x will equal negative b, opposite sign of b, and the opposite sign of b will be 4 plus or minus square root b squared negative 4 squared minus 4 times a times c. All right, divide by 2 times a. Then x will equal 4 plus or minus square root of 16. Negative 1 times negative 2, that is 2 times negative 4, is negative 8. Divide by negative 4. Then x will equal 4 plus or minus square root of 8 divided by negative 4. So if we grab the calculator to evaluate square root of 8. So square root of 8 2.82. So that x will equal 4 plus or minus 2.82 divided by negative 4. So I have again here x equal positive 4 plus or minus square root 2.82 divided by negative 4. Once you evaluate the radical, you split it into two. One take the positive, one take the negative. That will be 4 plus 2.82 over negative 4 and 4 minus 2.82 over negative 4, and we calculate this. So if we calculate this, we add 4. If we calculate this, we get negative, this part here, we give you negative 1.70. How about the other one? All right, so 4 minus 2.82 equal, we divided by negative 4. That gives you negative 0.2, negative 0.3, about negative 0.3. All right. Actually, to check your answer is correct or not, you have to add, that's to check, to verify the answer. You add them up, divide by 2. If I add negative 1.7 plus 0.3, oh, it's minus 0.3, and I divide by 2, I should get the axis of symmetry. Here is negative 2 over 2 equal to negative 1. That's to verify the answer, and it is negative 1, as we say. So I get 2 points here. I got the x-intercept to be negative 1.7 and 0. And I also get negative 0.3 and 0. Y-intercept is very easy. Y-intercept is always C, and I know C here is negative 1, so that will be 0 and negative 1. Now let's plot these points. Then we do the graph. I'm about to finish, everybody. Just bear with me. All right, so to graph, I have some points here. I have the vertex, which is negative 1, 1, axis of symmetry negative 1, 1.7, negative 0.3, and negative 1. All right, so negative 1 and 1, axis negative 1, y is 1. And I also have the axis of symmetry. Then I got 2 points over here. The intercepts. One is negative 0.3 and negative 0.7. And the y-intercept is negative 1. So now when I connect all these 4 points, I got a good picture about the graph. Now the domain has to do with x-axis, x value going right and left. All infinity and infinity, and the range go up from the bottom to the top. So here I'm going to negative infinity to the vertex. So the main will be here, negative infinity to infinity. The range is actually negative infinity to the y value of the vertex, bracket, because I'm including it. Maximum, I have a max here, which is the vertex, and the minimum is negative infinity. So maximum will be the vertex negative 1 and 1, and the minimum is infinity. I hope you guys find this lesson a little helpful. I recorded a lesson before regarding the quadratic one also, but it was easier equation. Please refer to it anytime you want, and always don't forget to subscribe and share. Don't fail and ask Mikhail. You have a great day, everybody. Take care.